Wait, so can eat with you?
Can. Can. Wait lah, 1 minute. That's a very long Monday.
So your auntie Claire would cook, eh?
No, not my mother.
Oh, your mother also cook. Yeah, I had a chance to try that. First time you cooking, right?
Yeah.
Come, I hold, you take.
Oh, you open the cover.
Okay. Where do I put the cover? Oh my god, it's hot! Is this what, pork or chicken? Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, this is it, guys. This is keluak. So let's see what's. Let me show you what it's like in how my. Let me just show you how my wife does it. Why you go and ketuk the thing like that?
So you come up lah, then we mix with the rice and we eat.
Sedap. Okay.
Good. The rice.
Oh god. Oh my god. No, okay, confession time. Last few months, right, we've been eating mostly basmati rice. So I tell you, when you go to eat basmati rice, right, then you suddenly come back to white rice. The white rice just tastes extra sweet one, I tell you. So yeah, love it, man. I go to Thailand, there's only one thing I look for. It's the rice. It's the bloody rice. God, where's my spoon? So you have to take the backside of the spoon. Wait, oh yeah, I have to ketuk the thing first. Ketuk. Ketuk, right? Ketuk. So you take the thing and dig out. Ambil kau. Where to throw this?
Rubbish bin. Actually, right, some people they recycle musical instruments.
Oh really?
Yeah, make sound like. When manual have what the keluak. The musical instrument. It's a shell. Sedap ke?
Oh my god.
Have you eaten this before?
Yeah.
It's the same on the rice you buy in Thailand. You go.
Yeah. This. Yeah. No, this type of white rice, right, was bought last year when we went for Evo and Euro. Tell you, Thailand rice is the bomb, man. So. So apparently this keluak fruit is most commonly found in Indonesia, but one of my wife's aunties told us that you can get them locally, I think from the Taman Tun market. One of these, apparently one of these, right, costs 1 ringgit each, you know. So this is not cheap stuff. Ours also we got from one of your aunties, right?
The aurizn is
Yes.
it's very expensive.
Very expensive poison. It's like the Japanese puffer fish like that. That one That one, the Japanese puffer fish to in order to get the certification to prepare the puffer fish, right? In the exam, you have to eat the puffer fish that you prepare. So if you fail the exam, it means you will die. It's like this thing tastes like what? You correct all the thing out, right? It's like I don't know. It's like the sauce in the sardine tin like that. No, it's that. It's like you correct a whole. It's like this fruit. You correct a whole bunch of sauce out. Why is my face looking so smooth in this? Today's dinner is heaven. Oh my god. Rice. Oh yeah. I think after MCO I want to go Thailand.